here we have 3 bills, sale 1, sale 2, sales 3. Total they have done 3 times sale. First one already transferred to third party, and the third one it is already discounted. For everything the month is different. For the first one it is 1, second one it is 2, and the third one they have given 3 months time. Now remember, it is not only bill, you have to mention bill receivable account. Hello everyone, I am your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are in the 12th session of your topic called Bills of Exchange. Today we will do complete 12 marks problem. So in it you will learn the new concept in this problem. So first we'll understand the question, later we'll go for the answer. Now on 1/6/2017 means it will be 1st June 2017. Now Karta sold goods to Bhagwan for rupees 30,000. Karta sold goods to Bhagwan for rupees 30,000. So first person is always what? Seller. So I can call it as Kartar. Kartar is the first person. He is called as seller. Now 3 bills of exchange. See, here we have 3 bills. Sale 1, sale 2, sales 3. Total they have done 3 times sale. Now to whom exchange for rupees 10,000 each. Sale 1 10,000. Sale 2 again 10,000, and sale 3 again 10,000. Hope you are clear. 1, 2, 3. 3 times they have sent goods. Now 10,000 each, payable after 1 month, 2 months and 3 months. For everything the month is different. For the first one it is 1, second one it is 2, and the third one they have given 3 months time. Now for the first one it is 1 month time, 2 months time and 3 months time. This is the first one, second one and third one. Hope you are clear with this concept. So Kartar is the seller. He sold goods 3 times. One is worth rupees 10,000. Second one again 10,000. Third one again 10,000. For the first one he has given 1 month time for the payment. Second one he has given 2 months time for the payment. And the third one he has given 3 months time for payment. Hope you understood. Now in this month respectively, the first bill was retained by Kartar till its maturity. First one after 3 months. After 3 months he went to customer, he collected 10,000. Normal procedure. Now the second bill was endorsed by him to Ratna. Second bill he has given to Ratna. Remember, third party. So this will be third party. Remember this. So Ratna means third party. Now third one. And third was discounted by him immediately at 6%. Remember. And the third one is discounted immediately at 6%. So these are the information about bill. First one, normal, after 3 months went to customer, collected the amount. Second one, it has endorsed, transferred to Ratna. And the third one, it is discounted. Discounted means immediately he need money, he went to bank, he collected, out of 10,000 he collected less amount. Clear? Yes. Now, who is the buyer here? Bhagavan. Bhagavan is the buyer. Yes. Bhagwan is called as buyer. Bhagwan we call it as buyer. Hope you are clear with all this concept. Clear? Yes. Again, I'll recall this. Now, Kartar is a seller, first person. Bhagwan is a buyer, second person. So he sold goods in three ways. One is worth rupees 10,000. He has given 1 month time for the payment. Second one, he sold worth rupees 10,000, but he has given 2 months time. And the third one, he sold for 10,000. For that, it is 3 months time. Now, first one, after 3 months, he has taken money. It is not after 3 months. If it is 1 month, means it should be after 1 month he collected money. Second one, after 2 months, before that he transferred to third party, that is Ratna, endorsed. And the third one, after 3 months, 10,000. Before that only what he has done? Discounted. Clear? In this, we have discounted and endorsed. We don't have concept called dishonored. In this, nothing is dishonored. No noting charges also. Noting charges and dishonored. These two concepts are not there in this. Hope you are clear. Yeah. Now, so these are the journal entries. Directly I'll go to journal entry so that you will understand better. Now, journal entries in the books of drawer. Who is the drawer? Kartar. Remember, Kartar is the owner of the goods. Kartar is the seller of the goods. Remember this. Now, first journal entry on 1/6, second journal entry 1/6, third journal entry 1/6. So we have not yet completed. Still we have 2 more journal entries. I'll explain you. First one. So being a owner, being a seller, what I do first, I'll sell the goods. For that, what is a journal entry? Buyer account data to sales account. Same old procedure we are following. Now, buyer is what? Bhagwan. To what? Sales. Bhagwan account data to sales account. What is the amount? Yes, 30,000 and 30,000. Bhagwan account data to sales account, 30,000, 30,000. Hope you are clear. Any doubt? Hope there is no doubt in first journal entry. We'll go for the second one now. So how many bills are there? How many times goods are sold? 3 times. So bill 1, bills receivable 10,000. Bill 2, bills receivable 10,000. Bill 3, bills receivable, again it is 10,000. How many bills total? 3 bills. To whom it is given? To owner. By whom? Buyer. Now, bill 1, bill 2, bill 3 to Bhagwan account. Any doubt? No doubt. 10,000 plus 10,000 plus 10,000. Total value of the bill is 30,000. 30,000 and 30,000. Any doubt? No doubt in this. We'll go one by one. I'll go back to your explanation. Bill 1 is what? At the end, after 1 month, he collected. Bill 2 is what? He has transferred to third party. Bill 3 is what? It is discounted. Now, at present, now, bill 1 is after 1 month collected. So, nothing to do with bill 1 right now. Bill 2 immediately transferred to whom? Ratna. Bill 3 is what happened? Discounted. Bill 3 also discounted. First, we'll go for this one and this one. Later, we'll come back for bill 1. Why? Because bill 1 after 1 month transaction will start. Bill 2 and 3, bill 2 what they have done? Transfer to third party. Bill 3 immediately went to bank and collected money. So, first we'll do bill 2 and bill 3. Later we'll come back for bill 1. First one, bill 2. As I told you, bill 1 will come later. Bill 2 and bill 3 will do first and second. Now, Ratna, bill 2 what I have done? I'll go back. Bill 2 is given to Ratna. So journal entry will be Ratna account data to bills receivable account. Ratna account data to, remember it is not only bill, you have to mention bill receivable account. How much? 10,000, 10,000. Your bill 2 is done. Now we'll go for bill 3. Now, so once if it is transferred, what happened? It will be given to Ratna. Now we'll come for bill 3. What happened? Bill 3, I'll come back. Bill 3 discounted at 6%. Remember. Bill 3 bank account. We'll come back to that. Discount 10,000. Clear? No. 6%. Clear? Yes. So 3 by 12. Why it is 3 by 12? I'll go back. Why it is means the bill is for 3 months. So that's why 3 divided by 12. In a year we have 12 months. That's why we have to take 12 as a denominator. Now, so 10,000 into 6 by 100 into 3 by 12. Your answer is 150. Actual bill value is 10,000. From 10,000, if you minus 150, how much you will get? Yes, you will get 9,850. Now your bill 3 is done. Clear? Bill 2 is done. Transfer to Ratna. Bill 3 we have discounted. Now come back to bill 1. After 1 month, what we will do? Cash account data to bills receivable. 10,000, 10,000. This is all about bill 1. Why we have done bill 1 at the end means first one already transferred to third party and the third one it is already discounted. The first bill after 1 month it happened. That's why we'll take it in the month of 7. These things are in the month of 6. Hope you're clear. These are the journal entries in the books of seller, in the books of drawer. I'll recall you once. Journal entry number 1, Bhagwan account data to sale. Bhagwan means buyer to sale. The total value is 30,000. Now, in this, there are total 3 bills are there. Bills receivable 1, bills receivable 2, bills receivable 3. Given by whom? Bhagwan. 1, 2, 3 to Bhagwan account. Now, 3 bills are there. First will complete second and third one. Later will come for first. Second one you have transferred to Ratna. Ratna to bills receivable. Over. Third one you have discounted. We have done calculation for discount. Remember why we have taken 3 by 12 means they have given 3 months time. That's why 3 by 12. If it is 2 months time, 2 by 12. Remember that. And percentage 6 by 100. It is already given in the question. I'll go back to your question. I'll show that. Your percentage is how much? Yes, 3 months bill. The first bill was retained by Kartar till its maturity. Second bill was endorsed by him to Ratna. Third bill, they have given 6%. 6% we have considered as 6 by 100. Clear? Yes. 6 by 100, you will get around 150. 10,000 minus 150, you will get 9,850. Remember, 9,850 is the balancing figure. Now, once if it is done, go for the last one, the bill number 1. Bill number 1, nothing happened. It is not even transferred, not even discounted. Normally what happened after 1 month, collected from the customer. Now, so it will be your 10,000 and 10,000 actual whatever has to be collected, it is collected. Clear? This is all your journal entry in the books of drawer or seller. Please take screenshot of these things. This is your question. Journal entries in the books of drawer. So these are the journal entries. Yeah. Now, journal entries in the books of drawing. Drawing means what? Bhagwan. Now, we have to pass journal entries in the books of Bhagwan. Now, same procedure. Before that, what happened? Purchase happened. Purchase account data to seller account. Remember this journal entry. Purchase account data to seller. Overall value is 30,000 and 30,000. Clear? Yes. For all 30,000, what buyer has given? Bills given. Now, Kartak. So, Kartak means owner. So, value is 30. Bill number 1, bill number 2, bill number 3. Total 3 bills are given. Hope you are clear. Karta means owner. Owner account data to bills receivable. We have 3 bills. That's why bills, instead of bills receivable for buyer, we call it as bills payable. Now, bills payable number 1, bills payable number 2, and bills payable number 3. Total, what is the value? 30,000. Hope you're clear. 3 bills are accepted. Now, we'll go one by one. Now, bill number 1, what happened? After 1 month, he paid money. Bills payable account data to cash. It is over. Any doubt? No. If all 3 bills are paid, bills payable account data to cash, 30,000, 30,000 over. But all 3 are not paid. Out of 3, 1 is transferred to Ratna, 1 is discounted. Bill 2 and bill 3. Bills payable to cash, bills payable to cash. Even though it is given to Ratna, instead of to owner, buyer has paid to Ratna. That's why bills payable to cash. And the third one, bills payable to cash. They have discounted, but here buyer already paid. All 3 bills it is paid. Instead of this, you can take it as bills payable to cash, 30,000, 30,000. But here they have done individually. Bills payable to cash, bill 1. Bills payable to cash, bill 2. Bills payable to cash, bill 3. They have done individually. It is left to you. You can do individually or else bills payable to cash, 30,000. Together, you can pass journal entry. Clear? This is all about your 12 marks problem. So, the question looks little complicated, but if you solve this, it is the easiest thing. Clear? The 2 journal entries in the books of buyer is very easy. Clear? Yes. I'll go back to your journal entries of buyer. First one, second one, third one. Please take screenshot of this. Yeah, this is all about your today's session. We learned concept of installment. Like 3 times they have done sales, how to pass journal entry. In this, nothing is dishonored. That's why we have not taken anything reverse entry. Clear? Yes. I'll end this session with the saying that learn concept and earn marks.